How to use Internet Explorer for Mac. Using Internet Explorer on Mac is not very common, as most websites and web apps are compatible with other browsers such as Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. However, if you need to use Internet Explorer for some specific reason, such as accessing a website that only works with IE, there are a few ways to do it. One way is to emulate Internet Explorer in Safari, by changing the user agent setting. This will make Safari pretend to be Internet Explorer, and trick the website into thinking that you are using IE. However, this method may not work for some websites that require more advanced features of IE. To emulate Internet Explorer in Safari, follow these steps: open Safari on your Mac, and go to Preferences Advanced. Check the box that says Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar. Go to the website that you want to access with IE, and click on the Develop menu in the menu bar. Select User Agent, and choose one of the Internet Explorer options, such as Internet Explorer 11.0. The website will reload and display as if you were using IE. You can change the user agent back to default when you are done. Another way to use Internet Explorer on Mac is to install a virtual machine, such as Parallels Desktop, VMware Fusion, or VirtualBox. A virtual machine is a software that allows you to run another operating system, such as Windows, on your Mac. You will need a Windows license and installation media to do this. Once you have installed Windows on your virtual machine, you can download and use Internet Explorer as you would on a PC. To install a virtual machine and use Internet Explorer on Mac, follow these steps: download and install a virtual machine app of your choice, such as Parallels Desktop, VMware Fusion, or VirtualBox. Launch the app and follow the instructions to create a new virtual machine. You will need to provide a Windows license key and installation media, such as a DVD or USB drive. Start the virtual machine and log into Windows. You can access Internet Explorer from the Start menu or the desktop. Use Internet Explorer as you normally would on a PC. You can switch between the Mac and Windows environments by using the app's controls. A third way to use Internet Explorer on Mac is to use a third-party browser that supports IE compatibility mode, such as iCab. iCab is a web browser that allows you to switch between different browser identities, such as Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. This way, you can access websites that require IE without changing any settings in Safari or installing a virtual machine. To use iCab and Internet Explorer on Mac, follow these steps: download and install iCab from its official website. Launch iCab and go to the website that you want to access with IE. Click on the browser icon in the address bar, and select Internet Explorer from the list of browser identities. The website will load and display as if you were using IE. You can change the browser identity back to iCab or any other browser when you are done. These are some of the ways to use Internet Explorer on Mac. However, you should be aware that Internet Explorer is an outdated and insecure browser, and you should only use it when absolutely necessary. Most websites and web apps work better with modern browsers, such as Safari, Chrome, or Firefox, which are faster, safer, and more compatible. Or, you can get the best out of every browser with OpenIN. Use multiple browsers with OpenIN. OpenIN is a smart file and link opener for Mac. It helps you set up a workspace where you can use as many browsers as you want to work faster and more productively. Essentially, it learns in what browser you want to open specific types of files or mail to links. And if you want to have a choice, OpenIN will show you a selector list with the available browsers when you click a link.